Hello, welcome to another video by the Free College. Today we're trying to get onto LinkNet on IRC. And first thing you need to do, like we showed in the source video, the source on scene P2P, you're going to want to go type in OpenSSL for Windows, and you want to come to this website. You're going to install the software to your main mIRC directory. Once it's installed, you'll be able to type in irc.linknet.org plus 7000, but unfortunately gives an error. So what are we going to do? We're going to look for other servers on LinkNet. And it shows, let's take the bottom one, linknet.be. So we'll go back to mIRC, do server, irc.link-net.org plus 7000. Nope, we're going to switch out the org with BE. Oh, it's working. So now you know how to get onto LinkNet with mIRC if you're having trouble. We'll try to connect. There you have it. We're on LinkNet. All right, goodbye.